I will not go down without a fight.
It's Max Major. It's Sunday here in Baltimore, Maryland, going for a walk with Christy. It's last day in town before I hit the road for the start of Think Again tour. And what are we doing today?
I don't know. I'm not really even sure if we're going the right way.
Check in with you guys later. How'd you like our house?
I loved it.
You going back?
Yeah.
You catch anything today?
No, not today. 2 weeks ago I got a 23-inch catfish.
Here? Wow.
Whoever finds the first thing of change on the ground does not have to buy lunch or dinner.
So their contribution to lunch is the penny they found.
Yeah. And the bad news about that is I'm real hungry.
I just found a quarter on the ground right in front of Christy right after she laid out the quarter challenge, and I found it.
Isn't that funny that it was right there at your feet?
You trying to say I'm a magician? Just got lunch for a quarter and dinner. You said dinner too.
I said whatever's next, whatever meal is next. I just proposed the bet. And you happen to look down at your feet and say, oh my gosh, a quarter. That's a little suspicious to me.
Must be my lucky day.
If we were where we were going.
Hey, this is our ride. Is this our ride?
Yeah. Look, if we go to Urban Pirates, we get a free eye patch.
Hello. Very good. You wear hats? I've never seen you wear a hat. I think you're wearing it wrong. I think I'm wearing it right.
I like that one.
I'm a magician now.
You're a real magician.
Want to see me pull a rabbit out of this hat?
Yeah.
There's a hair. I'm gonna give you a hat. I pick out, and then you have to make the voice that fits that hat.
I'm an old grandma.
All right, listen up. There's alligators in these parts. That was it. You can't take it off. We spotted some dollar oysters. How much money you got?
$1.
We're gonna have one oyster.
What's going on, guys?
How do you rate the oysters?
10.
10?
Yeah. A plus.
A plus.
You do the elementary grading, right? What do you think?
A plus and extra credit.
So this is
Ready?
Yep. Sweet. That's how you do it. Stacking bodies. Price, A++, $2 a crab, awesome. Cooking and preparation, A. Crab itself, I would give B to B+. However, for the price, it's A crab. For a $2 crab, that's an A crab. So pretty fun day so far. I rarely take a day off. This is actually quite a treat. And since I'm leaving for New York for 2 weeks, probably no better way to spend a Sunday.
Third normal.
Watch me.
Whoa!
Look at it. That sounds like they're letting the air out of the brakes, not moving.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. This is so unsafe. This is like the least. Sarah, is it moving? Holy shit, it's actually moving now. Are you kidding me?
Almost got
Are you kidding me?
squished.
You know, I talked the other day in the vlog about energy, and I found recently that balance is one of the most critical things to having energy during the week, is not just working all the time. And when you're doing something that you love, that's one of the biggest challenges actually, is to find balance and to not spend all your time consumed by work. And so today, it's been a really good day. A+.
Because I paid for everything.
That helped.